The last hour. Vikram had always been a man of leisure. At 45, he had a small business inherited from his father, but he never worked hard for it. His employees did everything while he spent his days in coffee shops, scrolling through his phone and telling himself, "There's always time." His wife, Ananya, often worried about him. "Vikram, you should expand the business. The market is changing." But he laughed. "Relax. We have time. I'll think about it later." His son Aryan, a college student, was no different. He spent hours playing video games and skipping studies. When Ananya scolded him, he copied his father's words. "Relax, Mom. I'll study later. There's always time." But time waits for no one. One day, Vikram felt a sharp pain in his chest. His vision blurred, and the next thing he knew, he was in a hospital bed, with doctors speaking in hushed voices. Ananya and Aryan stood beside him, their faces pale. The doctor sighed and said, "Mr. Vikram, your heart is failing. You have less than 24 hours to live." The words struck him like lightning. "No, this can't be," he thought. "I have time. I always had time." But now he had only one last day. For the first time in his life, Vikram saw time as it truly was: precious, fleeting, and unstoppable. He turned to his wife with teary eyes. "Ananya, I wasted my life. I was lazy. I should have listened to you." She held his hand, crying, "Don't talk like that, Vikram. You still have today." Vikram nodded. "Yes. One day. I will make it count." He called his employees and thanked them for running his business. He apologized for not appreciating their hard work. They were shocked. This was not the Vikram they knew. Then he turned to Aryan. "Son, I wasted my time, and I wasted yours too. Promise me, you will never delay your dreams like I did." Tears rolled down Aryan's face. "I promise, Dad. I will value every second." Vikram spent his last hours reading a book, something he always postponed. He took his wife's hand and watched the sunset, realizing how beautiful the world was when you truly paid attention. And when his final moment came, he whispered, "Time is life." After Vikram's passing, Aryan was never the same. He woke up early, studied hard, and graduated with top honors. He built his father's business into a success, remembering his last lesson: every second you waste is a piece of your life you'll never get back. He kept a photo of his father on his desk, with the words, "Make today count," written underneath. And from that day forward he did. Moral of the story: time is the most valuable thing we have. Do not wait until it's too late to realize its worth. Make every second count, because lost time never returns. Vocabulary list: 1. Leisure, free time, relaxation. 2. Expand, to grow or make bigger. 3. Blurred, not clear, difficult to see. 4. Hushed, quiet, whispered. 5. Fleeting, passing quickly, not lasting. 6. Appreciate, to value or be grateful for something. 7. Honors, high academic achievements. 8. Postpone, to delay or push something to a later time. 9. Precious, very valuable and important. 10. Count, to matter or be important.